Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with this guy. That's me. Today we are making something that I haven't seen a lot of right now. That's not to say that it isn't somewhere, but I haven't looked. I didn't get a chance, so I said let's just do it anyway. So it is going to be a cookie cupcake. Now, what that is basically a bit of cookie dough at the base of a muffin tin, with then a cupcake batter on top of it. I'm hoping. Like, again, I've never tried it before. I'm hoping it's going to be nice. They probably are online, and they probably are on YouTube, but I just haven't looked. So we'll give it a go. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe to the Cooking with This Guy Army. 29 strong, lads. Yes, we're rocking up there. Big thanks to that. Yeah, but that's it now. So let's get into it. Make the batter. Let's go. I might not have explained that properly, but it's going to be a piece of cookie dough in the batter of a cupcake. Get me? So it can be nice. So first step is our butter. Okay, so we need 150 grams of butter. Guys, so we have our batter made, which is a normal cupcake batter with a few chocolate chips in it. Nothing major there, really. You know, we've all seen it a million times before. What is different now is that I had some cookie dough here. I had some cookie dough that was left over from the recipe I did there about a week or so ago. I have a bit of cookie dough left. How about we use a little bit of this cookie dough in the bottom of each of those muffins and see how it works. Now again, I don't know if it will. I suppose no harm in trying, sir. Right, so to try and get a fairly even spread on the cupcakes, I'm going to pipe the batter into it. Recap for everybody, right? So we have a layer of cookie dough, we have our batter, our cupcake batter with milk chocolate chips in. They're then going to go into an oven, a preheated oven at 160 for 17 minutes. And we should be laughing. Now, a way to check, as we all probably already know, is a knife or a wooden toothpick going through the batter. If it comes out clean, it's ready to go. Now, I try to get it as even as possible using the piping bag. I don't know how successful I was, but that's just another way of doing it, guys. Preheated oven, 160, 17 minutes. I think it turned out pretty well. Like, you know, it is what it is. Like, it's basically, it's a cupcake with a cookie base on it. It's good. It's nice. Nice light sponge, and then you got the chewiness of the cookie. Overall, Not bad. Will I do it again? Will I do it again?
Maybe.
I think next time what I do is I put the batter in first, then a bit of cookie dough, and then more batter on top. Yeah, overall for a first attempt, it's not bad. I'm quite happy with that. Guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. I really do appreciate it. We are, as I said at the beginning, we're 29 strong now. Cooking with this guy army, 29 people strong. Delighted. But we'll leave it there. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.